Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's more makeup please. So today we are doing a first impressions and unboxing video for this new wig that I just got. You know as well as I know that we were all getting those yummy Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals. Comment below what you got, your deals, what you would save your coins on, girl. So I got this wig. It was, I don't remember how much it was originally, but looking back at my transactions, I paid $27.99 for it, and I'm like, is that real? Like, I wish I paid less. Here is the wig. So I got this wig from SAMS Beauty, along with a lot of other things, some goddess locks that I'm going to try a single crochet style. If you want to see how I'm going to attempt to do that, then let me know. Give this video a like, and why don't you just subscribe while you're at it, because I'm going to start posting more videos. I've been super busy, and like, you know when you try to focus on one channel and then you kind of neglect the others. So I'm really trying to just, you know, spread myself as evenly as I can so I can just be delivering awesome content for you guys. So that would really help me if you just subscribe to my channel, okay? So let's just get into it. Jeez, Erica. This is the wig. Let's just take it out of the box because you guys know what boxes look like. Let's see her. Her name's Ebony. It has heat resistant fiber, safe to, you know, straighten or flat iron, whatever, up to 400 degrees. Oh God. Excuse me. This wig is wavy, so I'm gonna keep it wavy. I'm not going to bother to straighten it, but look how nicely it's packaged. That's some care and some love. So this is what she looks like. I hope I don't have any pit stains. Good thing this is a black shirt. 2 clips on the ends and then 1 clip on the back. I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the lace. This isn't a big deal. It's super easy. You just want to cut as close to the hair knots as you can without cutting those off. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and tweeze the part a little bit. It's not really necessary to tweeze the hairline because this is only a middle part. Just going to crisscross the braids. All right, at least it's like a little bit more down, but is my head like just really big? I'm about to be extra saucy. Okay. Just gonna, okay, so I'm getting a little bit of, oh my God. What? I hope this shedding just came like from when I was tweezing hairs, cause that's kind of a lot. I'm having popcorn for dinner and I'm really excited. Popcorn's my favorite food. That and crab legs. Okay, so my head is just like, the combs or the little straps are like just on the ones that they normally come on. I feel like the cap is like, is my head too big? Like what? Okay guys, I'm back. I just had to change my shirt really fast so I can show you how long it is, and I did kind of straighten the top with my flat iron. Just hold it closed and just like press it down on your head. I'm back here. So it is very long, really long. I don't know why I thought it was 18 inches. It's long. This is goals. Like, this is hair goals. I can't wait till my hair is this long. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. You definitely should check out this wig for yourself. Personally, I don't know if I would have paid anything more than what I paid for it, because I'm not really into like wavy wigs. I feel like they can get like tangly really easily, and I just don't have the time for that. But I am really excited. This wig came just in time. I have a ball this weekend, so, and I'm like really self-conscious about my armpits because they're not as light as I want them to be yet. So I'm like, oh my god, I don't have any hair that's like covering it enough, so like in pictures I can just like put it there. Remember, you are beautiful, you're brilliant, you are love, you are life. You have so many gifts to offer this world. Always remember to be yourself. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!